13 Powerful Tactics to Build Your Email List Fast. Tactic number 9, create quizzes. People absolutely love quizzes. It's why sites like Buzzfeed constantly create quizzes like which Harry Potter character are you? People love to answer questions about themselves and then get results. There's something addictive about it. Quizzes are also a fantastic way to build your email list. You create a quiz and people simply need to give you their email address in order to get the results. But here's the thing with quizzes and list building, the quizzes need to be related to your business in some tangible way. If you create a which F.R.I.E.N.D.S. character are you? quiz, you may be able to get a lot of people to take it, but most of these people probably won't be interested in your business. You'll be adding people to your list who will most likely never purchase from you or work with you. Your quiz should be closely tied to the objectives, desires, goals, and pain points of your ideal customer. For example, let's say that you're an IT security consultant. You could create a How Secure is Your Network quiz, in which you ask different network security related questions, in layman's terms, of course. Or let's say that you sell a health product. You could create a Are You Ready for Cold and Flu Season? quiz. As part of the quiz, you would ask whether people are using any health products to help strengthen their immune system. The main point is that your quiz needs to attract those who are also interested in your products or services. Your goal isn't just to get as many people as possible to take the quiz. Your goal is to get the right people to take the quiz, people who want to work with you. There are numerous platforms that make it really easy to create quizzes. QZZR. Lead quizzes. Try Interact. Survey Anyplace. Typeform. Just as with lead magnets, you want your quizzes to actually add value to the person who takes it. Your goal is not just to get their email address. Your goal is to give them something valuable in exchange for their email. So take the time to create a quiz that a person will want to take. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media, and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like, comment and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.